Hi there, these little seedlings are lamb's quarter, tree spinach, or I call them betugasag in my language, and they are self-seeding greens, so if you let one plant to go to seed, you don't have to worry about next few years. They can be quite invasive and can take over the whole garden or garden bed if they are not taken care of. But I've grown them all season in Brisbane for last year and a half, and especially I really value them in summertime, because when you can't really grow much of the greens, they will become so handy, and more you harvest, more production you get from the plant. They're very productive greens, and I usually cook it as very simple curry type sauteed green. And here today I'm harvesting all the available leafy greens in my garden. So I've got some dill, some spinach, some kale, broadleaf mustard, and sweet potato tips as well. So this is what I've got, and I'm gonna cook it tonight and for my dinner. So this is what I got, guys, and thank you so much for watching my video today. See you in next video. Thanks. Bye for now.